What's going on, everybody? Cack and Balls here again with another unboxing. These are not for me. These are purchased for a friend of mine. Basically, this video, I'm going to tell you right now, this has not been opened yet. The pack job on this isn't the greatest. It took the seller about 10 days to actually ship these out. So I'm not holding my breath that these are going to be good, but we will take a look and see what's going on with them. Hopefully everything in here is good. As you can see, the tape didn't even stick that they used. So this will be interesting. If you haven't figured out by now, if you haven't read the description or anything, these are some old school MTX Black Gold 10-inch speakers. At least they should be. Like I said, a buddy of mine sent me the link to these and wanted me to pick them up because he didn't have the money in PayPal. Brown wrapping paper. Alright, I'd just like to point out that this is the cone of the sub right here. It was facing down, and this other sub is facing like this, and this is the cone of the sub, which means that the magnet is down here. So, moment of truth, figure out what's going on. I just made an unboxing video of a pair of speakers that I had just bought. I should probably be wrapping that over here. They don't work. The cones are locked up, so I'll have to figure out what I'm going to be doing about those. It's really not worth them to fix them. I tried fixing one a while ago that had that same issue. I'm not messing with them anymore to fix them. Oh, check that out. Here's a screw. Randomly laying around out here. So there's this speaker. Wow. That speaker is shot. This speaker has some massive, here's a little screw just found attached to it. This has a massive amount of spider seg to it. Here's another little screw. Holy cow. Man, these are so... This is so sloppy. This is not good. Alright, well, let's open up the other one here real quick. This one doesn't have nearly as much wrapping around it. Both of these are going to have new spiders. Those are shot. So those will be interesting. This one, ouch, has metal shavings all over it. So, okay, so I'm going to test these out here and hook up a voltmeter to them real quick. But in order to do that, I'm going to hang my mic up. So I will be right back. I've got packing paper all over the way down all over the way. Hook these up real quick. So this one reads 4 ohms. 4 ohms. And check this one. That one reads 3 ohms. So they appear to be okay, but they're going to have the spiders redone on them. So I'll talk to my buddy about it and figure out what he wants to do. Pretty good chance that this video will actually never make its way into YouTube, but we will see. Do not use paper as a packing material when you're shipping subs. Pool noodle, foam goes a long way. So anyways, 2 unboxing videos here in a row. Both of them disappointing. So be sure to check and make sure that your seller knows what the hell they're doing. So anyways, have a good one, guys.